Welcome, and thank you for your interest in Administrative Controls Management's Project Risk Management course. ACM offers a variety of courses, lunch and learn webinars, and training sessions. Our website provides a full list of these services along with the current training and course schedule. Effective risk management strategies are a critical part of a project's success. This half-day course covers the importance of risk management and the project risk management process, including concepts and terminology. The process of risk identification will be discussed, along with the development of the risk response plan. Participants will be engaged in a unique interactive learning experience. Also, a comprehensive workbook prepared by ACM will be provided to maximize course engagement. While engaged in an interactive learning experience, risk management topics such as concepts, identification, response, assessment, monitor, control, and report are covered. Also, attendees will have the opportunity to interact in the risk management workshop. ACM has experience in training and serving projects, both nationwide and worldwide. For more information, please contact ACM at 734-995-9640. We would love to hear from you. Also, visit our website at www.acmpm.com. Administrative Controls Management is established at a variety of locations, including Michigan, North Carolina, and Ohio. Our vision is to be your first choice for project management. Our mission is to provide the most timely and cost-effective solutions to clients' project management concerns. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute Global Registered Education Provider. Once again, thank you for your interest in our courses and what we have to offer. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website to see the variety we have to offer, including our educational products.